Good morning, traders. This is Matt with Newbie-Trader.com, and just want to take a second and remind you that we are running a trial of our room this week, and I invite you to come on in and join us. It's not too late. We still have a few spots remaining, so if you get a chance, go ahead and click the link below this video and come on in and join us. Just want to point out what's setting up for Crude, or what's going on in Crude as we speak here. In the overnight session, you can see Crude was basically trading sideways, and then after the European Open here, it did break down. We got a signal there right at around 3 o'clock this morning on the European Open, and that provided an opportunity to get about $270 in crude oil to the downside. Got a nice bounce off of our key buy zone pivot level for the day. We provide these levels to you before the market opens, and off that level, you can see we did get a buy signal here, and it's working back up towards its midpoint here. A little minor resistance coming in at 62.11, but that's about $150 to the upside. So, over $300 worth of opportunity already before we've even opened here today. And we can show you how to use these tools, talk about our key levels. If you just want to back out and look at kind of what the levels are for crude today, I'm just going to bring down here and we'll look at a longer term chart. Give you a little bit of free information this morning on the key levels that we are looking at. We have buy levels and sell levels below the market. So we have this pivot somewhere right around, we'll call it 61.75. You have the major buy zone down here at 61.20. So if the market comes down here around 61.20, be sure to get on it there. And then finally, there's a third buy level down here. Call it 60.72. Okay, so that's the three buy areas below the market. Think of this as our pivot around 62.48. The key sell level today is going to be around 63, and you have a minor sell at 63.32 and 63.68 or so. So there's some levels for you today. Hope that information proved helpful. Just watch Crude, make note of those levels, and see how things pan out the rest of the day. But we are looking for this market to push through this minor resistance area here, and the pivot area is going to be up around 62.48 today. Have a great day. Come join us, and we'll see you soon.